Okay, welcome back, guys. I am back and start making a video on the Spark 14 Pro custom ROM. So first of all, I have already wrote a guide for you. Uh, Here is your complete five-step guide for the Tecno Spark 40 Pro custom ROM. So first of all, we will go each steps one by one. Okay, backup and gather requirements. First step. Before touching anything, backup all contacts, photos, and apps. Then confirm your phone chipset Spark 14 Pro Cam 6 run MediaTek Helio software. You need to download this the correct file. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, this here you can download from here. I just clearly let you that I will not download anything on my PC because I have no device right now. I will just guide you how you can do. So let's download this. So you can download from download agent file. Here you can download this software. Here is downloaded. First, I will not do anything. Second, tools. I would like to let you SP Flash tool version 6 MTK USB driver Python. You can use the Python programming as well, ADB and fastboot. So this is the first step you are going to do custom ROM. Okay, and then after that, second step is to unlock OEM bootloader. Go to setting about phone, tap builder number, stop build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Then enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Note: Tecno require your account to be 14 days old before unlocking is allowed. So if you are planning to root your device, you need to make an account on Tecno and let it complete the 14 days. Then ADB devices, ADB reboot bootloader, fastboot, OEM unlock. That's all data. Wait 14 days if you are planning. The third step is download ROM and verify with Python. This the code I made. Download the custom or stock ROM from from needrom.com or huatech.com for module games. Use the Python script below on the screen to verify integration before build this. Okay, let's run. First of all, I will the file I have not downloaded. Show MD5 on the screen. Let's make the file custom rom.py. Okay, let's save and then I would like to go via cmd. We are already on the folder. Okay, let's see the file we are going to run Python custom ROM. I have no zip file. It will give the message that file not found. See, file not found because I have not downloaded it yet. If I already downloaded, it will show the message that the file is available. Okay, this is the code I generated and created for you. The fourth step is flash with SP Flash tool. This is the most popular flash tool. Everyone know. Extract the ROM zip, open SP Flash tool, then click download XML, select Android scatter.xml from the ROM folder. Power off the button completely, then connect via USB while holding volume down as the flash to auto detect and flashes. So one more thing is I can make this Python scatter generator for you in the future. I'm planning Python helper auto find scatter file. Okay, import globe Oh, it is also same code that will find out the file, scatter file. Okay, here. I don't want to make another file. I'm running on it. It will also give the same message, just scatter no scatter file found. Check ROM folder. So here on the CMD, we will again rerun the same file Python custom ROM.py, which the custom ROMs.py is the file name, and Python is the Python we are downloaded already. We can also run on the Visual Studio here in the CMD terminal, new terminal, and here it we can run. But okay, it's also fine, no issue here. So the first line message is the first code, and the second line message is the second code. You can make commits to see the first to the see the accurate result. No scatter file found because I have not downloaded. I already mentioned you. Okay, let's back to the guide. Step 5: boot and verify fix common errors. After flashing the phone reboost. Okay, first boot take 3 to 5 minutes normal. Check IMEI mobile data camera. Use the Python diagnostic payload to auto check ADB connection and show device info live on the screen for your audience. This code will help you out. Okay, let let's see. First comment the above code. I don't want to make another file again and then rerun it. Okay, system cannot find the file specified and version error. IMI the system cannot find because this is I'm getting. I have not do anything. I am just guiding you and letting you the way you can do yourself. Spark 14 Pro custom ROMs. Though, so that's all for now. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Okay.